So we recently installed AWE's touring catback on Andrew's Stangosaurus here, and it was louder than we thought it would be. Wasn't loud enough though, you want more.
I'm excited to hear this track.
So we just removed the touring and we installed the track. Now the track is the same thing, 304 stainless, mandrel-bent, your choice of the polished or the black diamond tips, but it gets rid of the muffler. So all you have are resonators and then straight out the back. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, a 13mm deep socket, and a 15mm deep socket. So Andrew's actually never done something like this before, but the nice thing about the 15 through 19, the exhaust is pretty easy to do. We're going to start, loosen up these 4 nuts. Perfect. What you want to do is pop these tabs off. Makes it easier for the couplers to slide off the front pipes. So what we're going to do now is remove these 2 bolts here to remove the rear hangers. All right, an extra set of hands comes in real handy here. What we're going to do is slide the exhaust back, pop it off the tailpipe hangers, and then remove the whole thing. This way. All right, the factory exhaust off. Now we're going to install the factory clamps back on the front pipes. Okay, now we're going to install the H-pipe into the factory clamps and then tighten them down. We're going to reuse the hangers and the factory tailpipes. All right, now we're going to install the resonator mid-pipe. Start by putting the factory hanger back here. And Andrew's going to put a clamp on the front. All right, and then snug it down. We're going to tighten down the hanger bolt. All right, the mid-pipe installed. Now we can install the tailpipe. Get this clamp on there. Let me tighten it up. Slide in the hanger, and then slide the pipe on. All right, now we can install the tips. We'll repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. All right, we knew the fitment would be good, but we all want to hear how it sounds, so fire it up. Yeah, definitely louder at idle. Go ahead. Yeah, very similar tone to the touring, but more volume. So I gotta say, I think we're both kind of surprised. I mean, it's louder than the touring, but it's not the night and day difference I expected.
No, nope. I thought it would honestly be a heck of a lot louder than touring.
I mean, it's loud. You can definitely,
yeah.
Now that we're driving around a little bit, you can most definitely hear it inside the car, but it's not, it's not, I wouldn't say it's quite as loud as like an MBRP race or the Outlaw Flowmaster or something like that. But it's deep too, like the tone is really low. Now we'll get it on the highway. We'll get up to some highway speeds here and we'll see if there's any drone. I mean, we see a lot of these systems when they're this deep of a tone, sometimes drone is a little bit of a trade-off. And this is pretty much a muffler delete with a couple resonators, so we'll see what it sounds like. It sounds good.
Yeah, I don't notice any drone whatsoever.
No, I mean, where are we at? Like 65, 70 miles an hour now?
Yeah.
So we're at like a highway speed here. You can hear it, I would say, a little more than the Touring Edition. Like, you know, it's back. The Touring disappears. This is still there, but no, there's no booming sound inside. You can hold a conversation, it's fine. And drop down a couple gears, I'm sure it'll get loud in a hurry. Yeah, I gotta say I'm kind of torn between the two. I initially would have been like you, I'd have gone for the track 100%, but hearing both of them, I don't know that the track is that much, it's not that much louder than the Touring. It is deep though. I mean, the tone is really, really deep. I guess it's the H pipe combined with the muffler leak kind of sound. All right, so what'd you think? I know you were sold on the track before you even got here, but now that you've heard them both, what are your thoughts?
I kind of am indifferent at this point, actually. They both sound really, really good. I could easily take either one.
Yeah, I thought the track, I mean, I think the Touring was louder than I thought it would be. Maybe the track wasn't quite as loud as I thought. I mean, it's definitely louder. The tone, I think, is almost the same, but they both sound great. I mean, there's no drone. They both sound really, really good on the car. I mean, as far as the installation goes, typical catback, figure about 2 hours and be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.